This is Ranjan Goenka. In this video, we'll be talking about the compliance dates related to tax collected at source. There are four fundamental compliances that need to be taken care of. One is the date of collection. Number two, all collections for the month has to be deposited within the next month on a specified date. Number three, all information about tax collections and the deposits that has been done every month. Every 3 months, this has to be reported by way of a TCS return. So this needs to be done after the end of every quarter. And number four, once the TCS returns have been filed within the specified time, all collections that has been done, the TCS certificates needs to be issued for that. So now coming to the dates for each of these is all the collections that is done, the day the payment is received for each transaction, that is the date of collection. So this date is very important. Otherwise, in case if this date is not reported correctly, this may ultimately lead to some kind of a error or a default. All collections made during the course of the month needs to be deposited by the 7th of next month. So this is applicable for all the months except the last month of the financial year, which is March. So this implies that all collections in April needs to be deposited by 7th of May, and all collections in May needs to be deposited by 7th of June. So this continues till February. For the month of March, the last date to deposit is 30th April. There is a slight relaxation over here. So this takes care of the deposit part. Now coming down to filing of TCS returns, this needs to be filed 4 times in a year. Normally what happens is once the quarter ends, the return has to be filed within 15 days. So for the quarter ending 30th of June, which is the first quarter, by 15th of July, the return needs to be filed. Similarly, for the second quarter, it is 15th of October. For the third quarter, it is 15th of January. For the fourth quarter, it is relaxed to 15th of May. So by 15th of May, the return has to be filed. After the returns have been filed, the next compliance is the TCS certificates needs to be issued. The last date for issuing TCS certificate is 15 days from the scheduled date of filing the TCS returns. So if 15th of June was the last date for filing the TCS return for quarter 1, by 30th June, the TCS certificates needs to be issued. Similarly, the things have to follow for the next 3 quarters. It is 15 days after the last date of filing the TCS returns. So these dates are extremely important, and these dates can always be relaxed or maybe altered by some notification. Like during the COVID period, a lot of changes took place, but this was an exception. The dates as mentioned, these are the standard dates. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.